Hello, and welcome to Deck Builder Seattle, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today, we are looking at a decision that can feel stressful for homeowners, figuring out whether to repair an aging deck or replace it completely. Maybe you have noticed squeaks, soft spots, or areas where the deck seems to sag. Maybe you have already done a few repairs and are wondering if you should keep going or start fresh. The first thing to look at is the structure. If the posts, beams, and main framing members are in good shape, and most of the issues are on the surface, repair or resurfacing might be a realistic option. That can include replacing damaged boards, tightening hardware, fixing railings, and refreshing stairs. On the other hand, if you see major rot at the base of posts, cracked beams, or serious movement when people are on the deck, those are signs that the structure may be at the end of its life. Age matters too. Many decks built 20 or more years ago were not designed with today's building standards in mind. Hardware may be undersized, flashing may be missing, and some connections may not meet current safety expectations. Even if the deck has held up so far, you might decide that a replacement is the safer long-term choice, especially if you host groups or have kids using the space regularly. Cost is the next layer. Small repairs can make sense when problems are limited and the structure is still strong. But if you are calling for help every season, that ongoing cost and hassle can start to rival what you would spend on a well-planned replacement. When you spread a new deck investment over many years of use, it often compares well to the cycle of constant patching. A new deck also gives you the chance to fix layout issues, add better stairs, or include features like a landing, wider steps, or improved railings. If you do choose to replace, it may be a good time to consider new deck materials. Many homeowners in Seattle take the opportunity to move from older wood surfaces to composite decking. Composite boards from brands like Fiberon are built to handle moisture and daily traffic with much less ongoing maintenance. That means less sanding, staining, and board replacement over time, especially in a climate where decks stay damp for long stretches of the year. Design is part of the decision as well. Are you happy with the current size and shape of your deck? Or have you always wished for more room, better access to the yard, or a smoother connection to a patio? A replacement project is a chance to rethink the footprint, add better traffic flow, or change stair placement to fit how you actually use the space. You can also improve details like lighting, railing style, and how the deck meets your interior living areas. As you weigh your options, it helps to list out what bothers you about the current deck and what you want from a new one. Safety, comfort, maintenance, and looks all matter. You do not have to decide on your own either. A professional deck builder can inspect the structure, explain what is going on underneath, and outline both repair and replacement paths so you can compare them side by side. If you would like a clear assessment of your existing deck, you can reach our team at 206-202-3943 or visit toughdeckbuilderseattle.com to schedule a consultation. At Tough Deck Builders Seattle, we help homeowners choose the option that makes sense for their homes, not just for this season, but for the years ahead. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Seattle, and we will see you in the next episode.